The first thing that comes to mind when thinking of birds of prey is a falcon. Falcons are one of the most well-known predatory birds. They are built to kill. They are one of the most effective hunters due to their sharp beaks, large claws, and excellent eyesight. Falcons are migratory birds that fly all over the world. Some species wander more than 20,000 kilometers per year and rely on excellent homing instincts to navigate the skies accurately. Falcons are among the fastest birds on the planet, with one species capable of reaching speeds of up to 240 miles per hour. They are members of the falconety family, which also includes caracaras. There are around 60 species in the falconety family. Hawks are also common birds of prey, but they are larger than falcons and have additional characteristics. Falcons are medium-sized birds with distinct species. Female gyrfalcons are normally 20 to 25.5 inches long and have a wingspan of 49 to 63 inches. Males achieve a length of 19 to 24 inches and a wingspan of 43 to 51 inches. Females are often heavier and larger than males. The average gyrfalcon weighs roughly 3.2 pounds, with most weighing between 2.1 and 4.4 pounds. Alaska, Scandinavia, Greenland, Iceland, and Canada are all home to gyrfalcons. They enjoy open environments and favor chilly climates. They frequently inhabit cliffs, mountains, and coastal environments. This species' hues are gray, white, and black. Brown and all-white color variants are also available. It has qualities with other falcon species such as short pointed beaks, big eyes, and piercing talons. This species, like other falcons, is carnivorous and feeds on small animals such as rabbits and seabirds. Only young specimens are threatened by predators. When fully grown, the gyrfalcon is aggressive and flies at high heights to scan for prey. They are only threatened by bald eagle species because they can fly so high and avoid most predators. Despite their size, they are one of the world's quickest bird species. Falcons are medium-sized birds, yet the sky is filled with much larger types of birds. The ostrich is the world's largest bird, although it cannot fly. Ostriches can grow to be 9 feet tall and weigh up to 330 pounds. The wandering albatross is the world's largest flying bird. The gray falcon is the rarest and most fragile of the falcon species. Other falcon species, such as the peregrine falcon, were formerly deemed endangered but have now been reintroduced thanks to conservation efforts. Falcons are protected in most locations to help preserve their numbers. The major threats to falcons are climate change, disease, and habitat loss. Human inventions such as planes and wind turbines pose a threat to all bird species. Wind turbines are thought to kill over 500,000 birds each year, including key species like hawks, eagles, owls, and falcons. Steps are being taken to help save falcons and other endangered bird species. These birds are beautiful creations of nature. It is our responsibility as human beings to protect them. Thank you for watching. Subscribe channel, get some new videos.